Alright, so what we got is a BMW X5 2023. It's brand new. And what we've done is we protected it with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. So nobody can steal this vehicle without the PIN code. So if a thief manages to get in the vehicle and try and drive off with it, you can see it turns on, but when you're trying to put it into gear, as you can see, it will not allow me to put it into gear. It keeps going back into park. So the thief will not be able to drive the vehicle. So what you got to do when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your PIN code to be able to disarm the system. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Your gearbox will flash between neutral and park, and now, as you can see, it goes into gear now. So if you want the Ghost to install to protect your vehicle from being stolen from these high-tech car thieves, see the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.